Today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. Bitcoin just broke down, at least a little bit. And the question right now is, should we break out in panic? Is this already the end of the bullish momentum for Bitcoin? Or is this just a small pullback before we are going more towards the upside here to higher price targets I am going to reveal in this video? Actually, in this video, I want to show you one chart which everyone seems to have forgotten about, which is actually still predicting the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term and also in the mid run. I will show it to you. I will show you my trades. What has ever happened to these trades? Well, I want to transparently reveal it to you, and I can tell you, I have some good news for you. Watch this video until the very end. Smash up the like button towards a new all-time high. And guys, I really need your feedback. You know that the like function is a feedback function. I want to know, do you want, at least every now and then, whenever it's necessary, a second update of today, a second update of the day? Smash up the like button and give me this feedback if you want that. If we are seeing here 10,000 likes, I am going to reveal more updates here in the future, of course, on top of the daily updates I'm giving you here. And now let's go straight into the content, guys. I want to start with Bitcoin actually, and by the way, I always like to show you a little bit of the beautiful view wherever I'm at this point of time here. I like to have a beautiful view when I'm going to, because this gives me a little bit of inspiration here. Anyways, on the 4-hourly candles, we can see that Bitcoin is still, and this is something what many people seem to be missing out on, because I see a lot of FUD, a lot of panic already coming, still creating higher lows, number one, number two, number three, and also higher highs, number one, number two, number three. So why in the world are people already panicking? In fact, I was actually telling you over on Twitter, follow me at mmcrypto, I remain bullish on the 1 hourly as long as Bitcoin does not create a lower low, the lower low being at 38,300 US dollars. As long as we are not breaking it, I'm staying bullish on the hourly. On the 4 hourly, I also stay bullish, but more importantly on the 4 hourly is to hold the ribbon. And we are still holding the ribbon. As long as Bitcoin is not breaking below the 38,700, we can, or like not closing below, we can remain bullish here on the 4 hourly candles. And more importantly, if I am pulling out, sorry guys, not the Bollinger Bands, yeah, fat fingers. If I am pulling out something which is now important, that we are in retracement mode from the top to the bottom, the Fibonacci retracement ratio, then you can see that Bitcoin just touched the 23.6. Everyone in trading knows if we are touching the 23.6, this is no reason to panic. Bitcoin could even, and this would of course be a break of the 4 hourly, go down to the 38.2 without significantly being, without breaking significantly bearish. The 38.2, a very common retracement level at 37,500. If we are, however, breaking this and even breaking this low here, that's when I say, okay guys, it can get a little bit more dusty. It can get a little bit more bearish here for Bitcoin. As long as this is not happening, please guys, do not break out and panic. And before I'm going into my price targets, before I go into my expectations for Bitcoin and Ethereum, I wanted to ask you, do you remember the Wyckoff pattern I was talking about for a month? Well, it seems that everyone has forgotten about it. And I wanted to go into it because this specific pattern helped me to predict the 42,000 US dollar price target. Actually, it helped me to predict the bottom, the 28,800. It helped me to predict the 42,000. And now the question is, what is this specific pattern predicting right now? Or what are my predictions based on this pattern? Well, let me go into the charts here right now. Let me open it for you. And this is our chart. And yes, guys, I did redraw the lines. And I don't like to do it. But whenever the price is showing us something else, we shouldn't be too proud to do that. And obviously we should take the note that these lines has been redrawn 2 times actually already. I want to be here completely transparent. But guys, very, very importantly, if we are going into it, if we are staying here in the chart, then you can see that if with these lines here we have the lows, then we have the secondary retests, right? We have all these consolidations. We have a new low here on the C, in the phase C, and then we are breaking out as we are supposed to break out in phase D towards 42,000 US dollars. It is not 100% perfect because C should have created a new low. We didn't do it by like $200, but overall it is still a very, very good looking Wyckoff pattern. And according to this pattern, what we should do is actually in phase D, and phase D will be probably a little bit shorter, what we should do in phase D is actually accumulate within this range of 38,000 to 42,000 US dollars before in phase E we are finally breaking towards the upside. This means, of course, we shouldn't break below the 37,000 US dollar level, below respectively 36,000, which is a very important psychological support. As long as we are not doing that, as long as we are consolidating here, chances high for phase E actually to be a bullish phase to complete this Wyckoff pattern here towards the upside. This is what I'm looking out for Bitcoin right now, and the price targets I'm looking out for are still the same. I was talking about it earlier, the 50% Fibonacci extension level and the golden pocket at 51,000 US dollars if we are completing phase D here successfully. So now, of course, many people are asking what's happening with Ethereum. And even if you're not holding Ethereum, I want to tell you, maybe this is the time where Ethereum might be a leading indicator for Bitcoin again. You remember how we in the past were accurately multiple times predicting the Bitcoin price based upon the Ethereum price. Ethereum breaking resistance before Bitcoin is doing it, and so on. This, of course, only works when Ethereum is gaining strength against Bitcoin. And this is what we are seeing right now. I want to tell you exactly what I'm looking out for. And if we are going into the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, then I was talking about that yesterday. We broke out of this massive triangle. And this should mean, of course, no certainties, guys, always make your own research, that we could get here this massive 38-39% move. Right? And if I'm zooming out in here, even when Bitcoin was breaking down, Bitcoin was holding strong. In fact, when Bitcoin was breaking down, Ethereum was breaking down less, even staying stagnant, making the Ethereum price looking very strong here against Bitcoin, what you can see here. So what could that mean? Well, let me go over back into the Ethereum chart. Ethereum still holding strong, Ethereum still being above support and not really breaking down here. Still being in the breakout mode. And on the 4-hourly candles, you can see that potentially this W pattern is still valid. Of course, guys, I mean, now that we are breaking down, we should stay vigilant, but we still broke out and Ethereum is still in this bullish mode. So now the question is how I am going to handle that trading wise. Let me quickly go back here. How am I going to handle this trading wise? I want to go first of all into my trade. And if we are going over into my trades, this is the Bitcoin trade on the right hand side, and on the left hand side the Ethereum trade. The Ethereum trade being, oh actually it's in a profit right now. It was in a loss when I started recording. $2,800, just slightly in a profit. The Bitcoin trade 560,000 US dollars in a profit. And what am I doing with my trades? Well, first of all, I wanted to remind you on that in the pinned comment down below, you will find a $3,500 bonus. So if you want to trade the upcoming volatility as I'm doing it, you have a Bybit link, you have a Phemex link, you have a Binance link, altogether $3,500. The Bybit link alone grants you $1,600. This is the last day of this specific bonus. Make sure you go down and you click this link and you claim your own bonus by clicking the link, and after your initial deposit you get this bonus completely for free. But my trades here, I am holding them open. Why? Well, first of all, because it's very important to remain in the bullish bias unless proven wrong. And we are still creating higher lows. This is why this Bitcoin trade is still open and the Ethereum trade is definitely still open, because Ethereum is even more bullish than Bitcoin right now. So I am keeping these trades open and I will update you if I am going to scale them higher. And I am potentially going to scale them higher once we are creating a new high, and once we are breaking decisively the 42,000 US dollar level. This was my price target. This was the first profit taking area. If we are breaking it decisively, you know the deal. Before the price target is after the price target is before the price target. So in a bullish move, we are taking profits as we are going higher. And once we are breaking decisively the previous price targets, we can look out for the next one, respectively, in this case, 47,000, 51,000 US dollars. Let me know what you think about it. What do you think about the Wyckoff pattern? I know it's a critical one. Are you still thinking it's a valid one? Do you still think that the Wyckoff pattern is valid? I think it's not perfect, but it definitely has some validity. Let me know in the comment section down below. Make it go on fire. Of course, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. And thank you so much for watching. And as always, guys, as always,